One of my favorite cars is a red 73 455 Trans Am. It's the first year for the full hood bird on the hood. This 73 Trans Am's had a nut and bolt frame off restoration with a lot of great options, from deluxe interior, console, automatic, tilt column, AC. The car's done from top to bottom. It's got the red oxide underneath. The factory finish is impeccable. This is a show car. It's won a bunch of trophies. This was a car that was restored, and a client of ours had it for a few years, and then him and his wife retired and moved. I bought it back from him, put it in my collection, and we've had it for quite a while, and now we're actually putting it on the market so somebody else can enjoy the car. We're taking it for a quick little drive here today just to show you guys how nice this car runs and drives. And check it out. Check out all the video and stuff online and all the footage. It's a great car to bid on and to own, because what it costs to restore one of these cars today is well over 6 figures, and that doesn't include the price of the car. So these cars are definitely going up in value. They are hard cars to find, and the bullnose cars are the most sought after for the early second generation Firebird Trans Ams. Thanks, guys.